Bald eagle versus harpy eagle. Get ready to witness the ultimate battle between two of the most majestic birds of prey in the Americas, the bald eagle and the harpy eagle. Their territories do not overlap, but who will be crowned the king of eagles? The bald eagle reigns supreme over North America with its impressive wingspan and sharp talons, while the harpy eagle dominates the skies of South America with its lethal hunting skills. Imagine the clash of these titans, the clash of power and strength as they fight for the crown of the skies. The bald eagle, a symbol of freedom and power, has overcome the brink of extinction and soared back into the wild under protection. Its white feathered head gleams as it spreads its chocolate-brown wings to claim its dominance. On the other hand, the harpy eagle, named after the terrifying creatures of Greek mythology, is a legendary predator with unmatched agility and precise eyesight. Few have witnessed this magnificent bird of prey in the wild. In the lush rainforests of South America, the harpy eagle reigns supreme, taking advantage of the dense diversity of creatures in its domain. Get ready to witness an epic showdown between two of the greatest birds of prey in the Americas, a battle that will leave you in awe and wonder. The question remains, who will be crowned the king of eagles? Size and body description. The bald eagle, with its massive wingspan of up to 8.5 feet and weight of 14 pounds, is a true wonder of nature. The females, with their wider wingspan, reign supreme and are easily identifiable with their dark brown body, white head, and tail. Their sharp talons and hooked beaks make them one of the most lethal predators in the sky. Young and subadult bald eagles are a sight to behold with their brown color and white spots on their lower bodies. But don't be fooled, they are still fierce and powerful creatures. Moving on to the harpy eagle, the largest and most powerful raptor in the rainforest and among the largest eagles in the world. Females weigh between 13–20 pounds and have a wingspan of 7 feet, while males weigh only 10.6 pounds. Their slate-black feathers and white underside make them a stunning sight to see. But it's their double crest on their pale gray head that truly sets them apart. Their sharp black bills and yellow tarsi and toes complete the picture of a true predator. Watch in amazement as these two species of eagles take to the skies, their wings cutting through the air with ease, and their powerful talons ready to strike at any moment. They are truly a wonder to behold, and you won't want to miss a second of it. Habitat. The bald eagle in particular is the only sea eagle native to North America, making it a true one-of-a-kind species. These eagles are typically found near large water bodies, such as the seacoasts, inland lakes, rivers, and coastal estuaries. It's no surprise, then, that they are frequently spotted within a mere 3 kilometers of a water source. Venturing further south, we find ourselves in Central America, where the largest known breeding population of harpy eagles resides in Panama, close to the border with Colombia. Sadly, the harpy eagle is likely extinct in El Salvador, with only one nesting pair observed in Belize. This neotropical rainforest species prefers to live at low elevations, where it can find prey and large trees for nests. Its rainforest home is a vibrant and lush environment that contains some of the highest biodiversity in the world. But don't let their exotic habitat fool you. These eagles can be surprisingly adaptable. Peregrine fund biologists have discovered that while they prefer large expanses of pristine forest, they can survive in altered habitats as long as there is enough food, tall trees to nest in, and no harm from humans. Nutrition. Bald eagles are true opportunistic foragers, but they have a special preference for fish, making their homes in areas where the fish population is abundant. But that's not all. These magnificent birds will also hunt seabirds and ducks, or stalk the grasslands and marshes for small mammals like rabbits, squirrels, prairie dogs, and muskrats. And if that's not enough to impress you, get this. They're also notorious for robbing ospreys of their hard-won catches. Imagine an eagle waiting on a favorite perch for an osprey to return to its nest with a fish in its talons, only to swoop in and harass the smaller raptor until it drops its prey. Talk about being ruthless. When it comes to hunting fish, bald eagles don't dive into the water like ospreys. Instead, they scan the surface for potential prey. But now, let's shift our focus to the harpy, a master of the rainforest canopy. These fierce predators don't limit themselves to one type of prey. They'll take on anything from opossums and porcupines to young deer, snakes, and iguanas. But what sets them apart is their technique for taking down larger prey. They'll carry it to a stump or low branch and partially eat it there, since it's too heavy to be carried whole to the nest. Interestingly, the larger female harpies tend to take sloths and monkeys, while the smaller, more agile males hunt in packs and take smaller prey. This strategy increases the pair's odds of eating on a regular basis, and it's a testament to the cunning and intelligence of these incredible birds of prey. Behavior. The bald eagle is a solitary creature, preferring to spend its time alone except for the nesting season when it congregates with up to 400 of its kind. But don't let that fool you. These majestic birds are diurnal hunters, on the hunt alone or in groups. And when breeding season comes around, they vocalize and fiercely defend their territory by chasing off any other bald eagles that dare to enter. In contrast, the harpy eagle is highly territorial, requiring several square miles of rainforest to survive and reproduce. These awe-inspiring creatures protect their territory from other eagles, allowing them to have a consistent food source. And once a pair of harpy eagles mate for life, they stay together, raising their chicks in the same territory. The bald eagle's diet is primarily fish, but they are opportunistic foragers and will eat seabirds, ducks, rabbits, and even carrion. They are also notorious for robbing ospreys of their catches, swooping in to harass the smaller raptor until it drops its prey. And when hunting for fish, they don't dive into the water like ospreys. Instead, they search for fish near the surface. Meanwhile, the harpy eagle's diet is more diverse, with opossums, porcupines, young deer, snakes, and iguanas on the menu. They take heavier prey to a stump or low branch, where they partially eat it since it's too heavy to carry to the nest whole. And while the larger females tend to take sloths and monkeys, the smaller, more agile males tend to take smaller prey, increasing their chances of eating regularly. And as for migration, bald eagles' movements depend on the geographical range of their populations, with some migrating locally in search of food and others staying put in southern regions. Harpy eagles, on the other hand, stick to their territory, protecting it fiercely from other eagles who would dare to take it from them. Nothing else preys on them, making them the apex predator of their area. Get ready for the ultimate battle between two of the fiercest predators in the bird kingdom, the bald eagle and the harpy eagle. In the heart of the rainforest, the harpy eagle reigns supreme. With its massive size and silent hunting skills, it is the largest and most powerful raptor in the region, capable of taking down tree-dwelling mammals, including sloths and monkeys. And with its enormous talons, the harpy eagle can exert several hundred pounds of pressure, crushing the bones of its prey and instantly killing its victim. On the other hand, the bald eagle is known for its incredible bill and jaw muscles, designed to tackle slippery fish in the water. While it is capable of aerial kills and taking down land game larger than itself, it doesn't have the powerful feet or sharp talons that the harpy eagle possesses. So, who would win in a head-to-head fight between these two incredible eagles? It's difficult to say for sure, but the harpy eagle's strong physical structure, lightning-fast speed, and aggressive nature give it an edge over the bald eagle. Will the bald eagle be able to hold its own against the harpy eagle's deadly talons and crushing strength? Or will the harpy eagle prove itself to be the ultimate natural predator in the wild? The answer remains to be seen, but one thing is for sure: this showdown is not to be missed.